Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: the adapter's ports and your laptop's USB-C alt mode and power delivery support. Plug the PD-capable USB-C cable into the adapter, then into your laptop while it is on or sleeping. This ensures negotiated power and video capabilities quickly. Once done, make sure the adapter sits flat and avoid tight bends. This initial connection lets the host detect video, data, and power simultaneously, which minimizes device conflicts and speeds up the rest of the setup. After the primary connection, attach the HDMI cable to your external monitor, and then use the operating system's display settings to choose mirror, extend, or main display. This determines how resources are allocated. Next, plug USB-A peripherals like keyboard and mouse. Make sure drivers install if prompted so devices enumerate correctly. Then insert SD cards and connect Ethernet. Once attached, verify network status and transfer speeds. These steps ensure video, input, storage, and network all function. To finish, plug a power delivery charger that matches your laptop wattage into the adapter so you maintain battery and device stability. You'll see charging indicators when negotiation succeeds. If a peripheral does not appear, make sure to reseat the cable, try a different certified USB-C cable, and reconnect in a specific order: power, video, then data. If issues persist, reset display settings, reboot the laptop, and update system drivers. These actions resolve most handshake and compatibility problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.